In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy stocks inside of IBKR. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers, and then from here you'll need to sign into your account. Now once you're inside of your account, you'll need to go up to the search bar over here, and then from here you'll need to click in the instrument or symbol that you want to buy. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to buy a MasterCard like so. Then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll be able to see the buy order, sell order, and if you click on this lightning bolt over here, you'll be able to change a bunch of different parameters like adding a limit order, market order, or stop loss, and you can also add the quantity in shares or USD. Down here you'll also be able to add in a limit price and time in force, and you can fill outside of RTH if you want to do that. You can also attach pre-orders if you want to do that by clicking here to add profit taker and stop loss. And then from here, you'll simply just need to click submit buy order. Once you do that, it should look something like this, where you'll see your order confirmation, and then from here, you'll just need to click transmit over here. Now from here, a new position will open up inside of the MasterCard over here, and you can see it over here inside of portfolio and then orders. From here, it should be active over here, and once it's get filled, you'll go over inside of the positions tab. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!